how can I add my documents, my data, to my ATLAS.ti Cloud project? Well, we'll open the project, and from the Documents Overview screen, you can add any new documents by clicking here. So if it's a Word file, you have the option right here, and then you can find it in your computer and you have it uploaded. If you have a PDF file, just click on PDF Upload, and there we go. And you can also create your own documents directly inside ATLAS.ti. So then you can type out the name of your document, and then you can write the content here, whether you'd like to write your own content or ideas or transcriptions or what have you. Or you can also just copy paste information. So for example, I have a web page here that I'd like to also analyze, so we can copy paste it in. And then you can always edit any of your documents. All you have to do is toggle this edit mode. And so then you can also continue to type, but you can also change the format of your text. If you want to add a bold or underline, italic, add headings, or insert bullets or numbered lists. So from the Documents Overview, we can see all of our documents right here. And we can also write comments on any of these documents. So we can describe the document or just take any notes, any other additional information we'd like to have. Since my documents here are all secondary resources, I'm going to go ahead and use the comment space to write out the full reference of these documents so that, we always know exactly where this document came from. So we can easily write out our comments here as well. And if we want to further organize our documents, we can create groups. So to add a document to a group, you'll just click here. And we can go ahead and create a group now. So I can say that I have articles about online leadership. And so we created the group, and now we select this group so that this document is added. And now that document group is saved. So you can continue to add other documents. And then in this case, say that I'll make another group for traditional leadership. And now we can add it there. So you can see what groups your documents belong to right here. You can always edit these document groups if you'd like to change the name or delete them, or also just create a new one. And remember, any single document can belong to more than one group. So you can certainly use groups to organize your documents in whatever way you prefer. If you want to delete any document, just select the document here, and you can delete it by clicking on the trash icon. And now it's been deleted, but we still have the chance to undo this action in case we change our mind. From the Document Manager, we can also search for any of our documents by directly typing right here. And then ATLAS.ti Cloud will only show the documents whose title matches the text you've entered here. And so now we know how we can add our documents, all of our data, to our ATLAS.ti Cloud project, whether we want to create our own documents or upload any PDF or Word files. And then we can always edit the contents of the documents directly in ATLAS.ti Cloud. And we can write comments to describe each document and also group them to organize all of our data.